नमस्कार। लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स के 11वें अध्याय में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू द 11th एपिसोड ऑफ लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम भगवद गीता। आशा करता हूँ इस अनलॉक के दौर में आप अपने आप को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए वो सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं जो आपके हित में है। अभी तक हमने लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स में देखा कि अर्जुन ने भगवान से क्या पूछा, फिर भगवान ने उनको 4 पर्सपेक्टिव्स दिए और फिर उन्होंने बताया कि ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटीज़ क्या होती है। हमने बोला स्वैग, SWAG, एंड फिर अब हम कह रहे हैं द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द VIPs, DAVIPS। उसमें हमने जो पहला वर्चू था डी, डूअर और कर्ता, वो हमने पिछली बार देखा। दूसरा वर्चू जो है उसको कहते हैं कर्म, और ये सारे के सारे वर्चूज और सात्विक, राजसिक और तामसिक। तो कर्म, पहला सात्विक कर्म क्या है, और इसका श्लोक ऐसा है, नियतम संगरहितम अरागद्वेष कृतम अफल प्रेप्सुना कर्म यत्तत् सात्विकम मुच्यते। नियतम संगरहितम, नियतम इज नियत कर्म इज योर ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटीज। जो हमने देखा था ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटीज, यज्ञ दान तप, मेरे पिछले एपिसोड्स में भी आपको मिल जाएगा यूट्यूब पर। ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटी संगरहितम, संग इज अटैचमेंट, रहितम इज विदाउट। सो ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटीज डन विदाउट अटैचमेंट। नियतम संगरहितम अराग द्वेष, बिना किसी राग और द्वेष के, विदाउट एनी लव और हेट। अराग द्वेष कृतम अफल प्रेप्सु ना कर्म। अफल प्रेप्सु, प्रेप्सु इज हैंकरिंग अबाउट, अफल विदाउट हैंकरिंग अबाउट द फल इज द फ्रूट और द रिजल्ट। सो विदाउट हैंकरिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट। सो नियतम संगरहितम ऑब्लिगेटरी ड्यूटीज यज्ञ दान तपः डन without any attachment and without any likes and dislikes, love or hate, araga dvesha, aphala prepsuna karma, and without hankering about the result which is good. So that kind of a karma or any action or activity done from that was bhav se kiya hua karma is sattvic karma. So what is rajasic karma? yattu kamepsuna karma साहंकारेण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासं तद्राजसमुदारितं। यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म, कर्म which is emanating out of काम, यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म साहंकारेण वा पुनः, स अहंकारेण वा पुनः is full of ego, सहंकार, अहंकार। साहंकारेण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासम, and it is done with huge effort. क्रियते बहुलायासम, huge pomp and show, huge effort, which is done with huge effort, and that kind of a karma is called as rajasic karma. That kind of a karma is called as rajasic karma, which is extreme attachment, extreme attachment, and ego, emanating out of ego. यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म, desirous and ego. And if I want to achieve something, I do with a lot of effort, but I am extremely attached to what I am trying to achieve. So attached to the output, not to the input. So here I am attached to the output. क्रियते बहुलायासम तद्राज समुदारितम। उसके बाद आता है तामसिक कर्म। अनुबंधं क्षयं हिंसाम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषं मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते। यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते, that is called, that karma is called tamasic karma. Which karma is called the tamasic karma? Anubandhang kshayam himsam. Anubandha is the consequences. So without considering the consequences of shayam or the loss, which shayam is loss, Anubandham Shayam Himsam. Himsam is something that can harm. That can harm. Paurusham. Paurusham is without considering my strengths. Paurusham. Without considering my strength. Whether I will be able to do that or not. Or whether this is my job or not. Or whether, what will I achieve doing that? Am I geared up to do that job? Without getting into the analysis or without thinking about whether this will, what harm it can create, how it can harm me, how it can harm others, whether I am equipped to do this job or not. Anubandham Shayam Hinsam. So I am not considering the consequences of my action. So it is said to people living on action, on impulse. So any action or activity that is done on impulse without taking into consideration how it is going to adversely or whether it is going to adversely affect me or not, that kind of a karma, action or activity is called the tamasic karma. Now let's revise. So anything that I do without any attachment to the fruit of result, and without any love or hate, that kind of a action or activity is called the sattvic activity. And something I am doing with extreme attachment to the output, to the result itself, and I am putting in a lot of effort to achieve that, that is called the rajasic karma. And the third is, I don't take into consideration the consequences that will happen of my action, whether how much loss it will create, whether I have the strength or whether I am qualified to do that job or not. Anubandham Shayam Himsa. Anuvekshacha Bhavacha. Moha Darabhate, and this happens because of moha. Moha is delusion. Delusion that I will do this and I will achieve that without considering anything. Moha Darabhyate Karma Yatta Kama Samachate. So I have to understand what is the kind of action or activity that I undertake most of the time. Most of the time. So whether I am coming from a sattvic angle or a rajasic angle or a tamasic angle, because most of the time the karma that I undertake defines what is my predominant nature as far as my action or activities are concerned. So that's very important to know where I am. So it's not to know where others are. No. It is to know where I am. And only then I will be able to improve myself. In the next episode, we will bring in the third virtue, which is the vision or the knowledge. Keep watching. In the meantime, while the government has lifted the lockdown, it is our responsibility to stay safe and stay home.